Last time we drew a rainbow tree glowing in the wind, and a girl named Eliana copied it and posted a picture, and she did an amazing job. And we asked her what to draw, and she said like a Rapunzel scene with Rapunzel looking out her tower, so that's what we're gonna draw. Start with Rapunzel's face so it looks like it's in front of the tower kind of. So let's start drawing her like body. Do it a little slanted because she's gonna be like looking, like putting her hand on her chin. And then draw 2 lines in the middle for some detail. And then draw 2 sleeves on either side. We're gonna do the like puff sleeve. Do 2 kind of sheet shapes going opposite direction for on the sleeves. And make one arm going up. Yep. And then the other one, we're going to be having her hand go behind her back. Then do her head. I'm gonna make her like winking. So I'm gonna make one eye closed and draw 3 eyelashes. And make one eye open, and that's how I'm gonna draw it. And then draw more eyelashes. And then draw a tiny U shape for her nose. And then another U shape and across, and do an upside down one inside of it for her tongue. Now it's time for her long hair. So do like a curve shape down, and then just keep going and make a wiggly line. And then like go trace it like over on the other side, but give it some space. And then connect back to her head. If you want, you can do some like hairlines going up it if you want. I'm gonna make like a bunch of stripes going up it for her hairlines. And I'm gonna erase that one. Okay, so next we're going to like make a window over her, and if it like bumps into something, just imagine it's going through, but don't actually draw it. And if there's like a space between it a little, just make like a bump going like there to make it look like her dress is going down. And then like trace it on the inside of it to make it look tinier. And then on the outside of it, draw like lines in it to make it look like there's stones that built it. Yeah. I accidentally drew the line in her dress. So now we're gonna do the base for the castle, and then we're gonna go up and make it like like 3D. Well, not really 3D, like I guess a castle. triangle going up. If it goes off the page, that's totally fine. Just imagine there's like a tip there. Okay. And then draw a bunch of lines going across. If it hits the hair, just imagine it's going through once again. And then go up and do a line. Maybe just 2, depending how big your castle is. If you want, you can do some bumpy shapes for like the moss on the castle. Doesn't really matter what bricks or stones. We're gonna do like a hook shape, an upside down candy cane shape for where she hooks her hair on to go down and up and down. So now we're gonna do some backgrounding. We're going to do some bushes by it. So do it on either side of the paper. If you don't have room, that's fine. And then draw a bunch of circles in it for like all the tiny little berries. Okay, and now we're gonna do the sun and draw a circle, then a bunch of lines coming out of it. It's probably gonna go off the page because I'm gonna do it a little like in the corner. So maybe do a bunch of clouds, little clouds, because the background is all sky basically. So now we need to draw birds. You don't have to, but like, if you do it big, that means it's up close. If you do it small, that means it's far away. Okay, so now we're going to I think that's it. So we're gonna color it in now, so let's get started. Okay, I just left the background white because I don't want it to be too busy in the background. And this picture is pretty much done. And I had fun drawing this with you, and thank you for watching. And make sure you comment below and tell me things that you want to draw, and I'm probably going to draw it. And Eliana, thank you for asking us to draw this. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.